If you've been using credit card, you must already be knowing Cred. It's an application that makes credit card bill payment super easy. In 2020, Cred posted a loss of 360 crores and earned a revenue of just 52 lakhs. In simple words, company spent 727 rupees to earn 1 rupee. That doesn't sound like a great business practice. But still, Cred is valued at $2.2 billion or 60,000 crore rupees, and it is the fastest Indian startup to become a unicorn. Cred even sponsored 2021 IPL. So, why is this hype around Cred? What is Cred's business model and how it earns money? In today's episode, we will answer all these questions. So, without any delay, let's get started. Cred is the first technology in India to come up with the idea of credit card bill payment service. It was founded in April 2018 by Kunal Shah, who also founded FreeCharge, an online bill payment application. Cred is backed by major investors including TST Capital, Sequoia Capital India, Sofina and RTP Global. Cred gives exclusive rewards on credit card bill payments and tracks the expenses as well. That sounds great. So, how will you become a member of Cred? That's rather complicated. Only those users who have a credit score of more than 750 get to be part of Cred. A credit score talks about your credit worthiness. If you pay all your bills on time, your credit score will be high. If not, it will decrease. Having a good credit score comes with its own advantages. Banks will be ready to offer you loans at low interest rates. Credit card companies will offer you higher credit limits. So, to become a member of Cred, you need good behavior. A good behavior of paying bills on time. After you become a member, Cred will automatically pull your credit card information, and with just one touch, you can pay all your credit card bills. Reward points, also called Cred coins equal to the bill amount, will be credited to your account, which you can use later to get exclusive discounts. But why only people with good credit score? Why not everyone can become a member of Cred? Then Cred will have more users, and more users mean more revenue. But Kunal Shah began Cred with the intention of creating an exclusive community with most credible people in India. By doing this, Cred is concentrating on one factor, and that is trust.
मेरे एक बहुत करीबी दोस्त थे, उन्होंने मुझसे कहा, the most expensive thing in the world is trust.
Think about it. Every member of Cred is paying their bills on time, and they are credit worthy. Otherwise, they won't be part of Cred. Currently, Cred has 6 million users. All of them are trustworthy in terms of making payment. This group of trustworthy people can be monetized in many ways. But Cred is not thinking about making profit. Cred is doing what every startup does, concentrating on acquiring as many customers as possible and scaling up the business. As Kunal Shah says, the company had made a deliberate choice to focus on achieving scale than revenue generation, which most of the internet businesses follow. Internet business fundamentally has a different rule. They start with distribution, then upselling and cross-selling happens. Even Facebook did not monetize for the first 4 to 5 years. So once Cred creates a huge community of creditworthy individuals, it can introduce more services and start to monetize it. So now let's understand how Cred earns money. Cred Store is an e-commerce business exclusive to Cred members. Companies can list their product and sell them to Cred members. Cred makes money by charging a listing fee from the companies who wish to display their products to the app users. CredPay was developed in partnership with RazourPay and Visa. This business complements the Cred Store. When a customer buys a product from Cred Store, he can make an instant payment using CredPay, and Cred charges a commission from the brands for facilitating this payment. Cred Rent Pay allows tenants to pay monthly rents using credit card, where the amount is transferred to landlord's bank account directly. The main advantage that lies here is that app helps users to get interest-free credit period on rent, and also users can earn reward points on these payments. Cred will charge a transaction fee of 1 to 1.5% depending on the user's credit network. If you make the same payment by withdrawing cash from your credit card, bank will charge you anywhere between 2 to 3%. So, the Cred Rent Pay is a fair deal. The best part about having a good credit score is that you will get a loan very easily. So Cred entered into lending business. Cred has tied up with IDFC First Bank as their lending partner for Cred Cash. It makes a personal credit line available to users in completely online manner. Here, the registration or subscription charges are nil. However, the bank charges interest on the money borrowed, which is displayed on the app while availing the loan. Cred acts as a mediator and earns a portion as commission. In 2020, company also incorporated two wholly owned subsidiaries by the name DreamPlug Advisory Solutions Private Limited and DreamPlug AA Tech Solutions Private Limited to venture into investment advisory and account aggregator business. These are some of the revenue models existing right now, but with the time, Cred can explore many opportunities. The biggest asset Cred has and will continue to have is data. Data is the new oil. Using it, Cred can make out the behavioral patterns, taste and choices and can offer products that are best suited to the members. By the way, if you are enjoying this video, consider subscribing to my channel. Having a community of credit-worthy individuals is a strength for Cred, which opens up a whole new line of opportunities for the company. For example, in US, to get a house on rent, you need a good credit score. So, Cred may start listing local rentals on its platform in future, just like the app No Broker. And because you have a good credit score, the house owners will be ready to offer you a flat. And Cred already has the rent payment option. It can integrate both the business services. And there are many more ways in which this community can be monetized. But the most important thing is competition. For now, Cred has a monopoly in this market. But what if in future some new company enters into this market? A possible scenario given the credit card growth will explode in future. It should not happen that new player enters into the market and customer shifts because the competitor is offering some great deals. Just like it happened with food delivery apps where brand loyalty is very less and business runs on offers. To avoid this kind of situation, Cred need to engage its community. Being part of Cred should not feel like an option but a privilege, and Cred is taking steps in that direction. For instance, Cred is planning to have online concerts exclusive to Cred members. They are in talks with some embassies where if you are a member of Cred, you will get a visa with minimal document submission. All these activities build brand loyalty over a period of time, and users would love to be part of Cred. So we are wrong if we think that Cred is a credit card bill payment application. It's more than that. As Cred founder Kunal Shah says,
the future, a lot of people assume that, okay, we are a fintech company. We are not a fintech company. We are a lifestyle company. We are creating a high trust network of people, and eventually we want the members to be able to help each other to doing interesting things.
In future, Cred can foray into many innovative businesses. But most importantly, Cred is trying to build a habit of using credit cards. According to latest RBI data, India has 60 million credit cards in issuance. Currently, Cred has 6 million users. It means Cred already has 10% of the market and it will grow in the future. What Cred has to do is to accelerate the process of growth. Many of us don't like to hold multiple credit cards because it becomes hard to track them, and Cred made it easy. Whenever a process is made easy, people tend to increase their spending and consumption. For example, we order food online because Swiggy and Zomato made it easy. We order gadgets online because Flipkart and Amazon made it easy. In the same way, people who already have a credit card won't back off from having another one, and those who don't have will take a new one, and Cred will take care of tracking their bills. A credit card is very useful if you use it in a proper way. A credit card is a kind of unsecured loan which you can use for zero interest. But the awareness is very low. I think Cred will work towards creating that awareness as there is a business opportunity in it. And Cred is working towards encouraging good credit behavior by reminding users about their credit card bills and incentivizing that good behavior with reward points. It may sound like Cred is concentrating on a narrow market as there are only 3 credit cards for every 100 people in India. But this is a high growth potential industry and Cred has the first mover advantage. What do you think about Cred? Let me know in the comments below. So that's the video, guys. If you like my content, consider subscribing to my channel. And don't forget to smash that bell icon to be notified every time I release a new video. Thanks for watching. This is Curious Monk signing off.
Yeah.